In this section, we'll be analyzing the GapMinder dataset. GapMinder data is the data about all the countries over the years, their GDPs, life expectancy, and population. We will be analyzing this data using Plotly, which will provide interactivity to our graphs. In this video, we'll be analyzing the data using Plotly Express. So in our previous video, we have learned about Plotly and how to plot the data using Plotly using interactive plots, right? By how you can draw all these interactive plots where you can interact with the graph elements and you can filter out some information as well. Now there we were using the iPlot, that is cufflinks, and we were using Plotly with that. Now here we will be using the Plotly Express and we will be doing all this task. So first of all, we will import the libraries, then we are going to load the data. So we will import all the libraries that is required in order to proceed with the data analysis. Then we will load the data set, and after loading the data set, we will create table using this Plotly. So by default, Pandas gives you table, but Plotly will give you a better table which will mark this. You can give some color coding and you can easily visualize that table as well. Then we will do some quick visualization using our bar charts. And you will see how you can plot this bar chart using this Plotly, and also you can provide different scales for that as well. We will plot life expectancy versus the GDP of our data. So the data that we are going to use is the famous GapMinder data set that we'll be using in this analysis. And here we will try to plot the life expectancy versus the GDP per capita of all the countries. We'll try to create, so our task 6 is to create interactive bubble charts using this Plotly. And here in task 7, we'll be creating our interactive animation and facet plots. So all of this, you can add that in your Plotly and data analysis part. And lastly, we'll be creating this to represent a geographical data as animated map. So we will be creating animated maps using this Plotly as well. So these all are our tasks, and we will try to accomplish all these tasks at the end of this project. So this was just the introduction to what we are going to see and how you are going to, what all graphs we are going to draw to do this analysis on this GapMinder dataset. Next up, we'll import all the libraries and we will also load our dataset. So I'll see you there.
I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you have liked our content, please do hit like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content and exciting updates. If you want to learn such practical content at an affordable cost with Microsoft certification and instructor support, please register at academy.codegnan.com. You can also download app from Play Store as Codegnan. Never hesitate to raise queries in the comment section, and please do reply with your suggestions for more practical videos. We'll be happy to come up with it. Thank you.